Every papaya's journey begins at the farm, bathed in morning light. Expert hands select only the ripest fruits, ensuring premium quality.
Sorting at the farm ensures only top-grade papayas proceed to processing.
From farm to factory, handling is gentle yet efficient.
Each truck carries the promise of fresh, sweet papayas.
Maintaining optimal conditions preserves fruit quality during transit. The journey from farm to factory begins at the receiving dock.
Every papaya is inspected to ensure only the best enter production.
High-pressure jets remove soil and surface contaminants with precision.
Mechanical brushing ensures a spotless surface for further processing. Even after washing, human eyes guarantee flawless fruit selection.
With the farm's best fruits selected, the papayas enter the heart of the factory. Here, the fruital's outer layer is removed with precision and care.
State-of-the-art peelers remove skins without bruising the delicate flesh.
Human eyes verify the machine's work, ensuring consistency.
Next, each fruit is portioned with exacting precision.
Automated slicing ensures uniform pieces, ready for processing.
Seeds are efficiently removed, leaving only the sweet flesh.
Final manual checks guarantee every slice is perfect for production.
Slices are washed and sanitized to meet the highest food safety standards.
Consistent sizing ensures each papaya slice meets exacting standards.
Slices are gently mixed to ensure uniform texture and flavor for dessert production.
Gentle mixing preserves the delicate papaya while blending batches evenly.
Prepared slices are now ready for transformation into delicious desserts.
Every slice is now guided toward the heart of preservation, pasteurization.
Controlled heat eliminates bacteria while preserving natural sweetness. Even gentle rotation ensures each slice is evenly treated.
Skilled eyes confirm the fruit emerges perfectly ready for puree.
The blender prepares the fruit for transformation into smooth, luscious puree. Mechanical precision turns fresh slices into silky, vibrant puree. Each batch is carefully collected to maintain flavor and consistency. Gentle mixing prevents separation, keeping every batch perfectly consistent.
Sampling guarantees the puree meets the factory's rigorous standards. Temperature verification ensures safety without compromising flavor.
Holding tanks stabilize the puree before the next stage of dessert preparation.
Even in bulk, the puree's quality is continuously monitored.
Perfectly pasteurized and blended, the puree enters the next phase of culinary creation.
The journey from puree to dessert begins at the formulation station.
Each ingredient is measured to enhance taste without overpowering nature's sweetness.
Gentle mixing ensures every portion of puree is perfectly blended.
Skilled eyes verify that texture and color remain flawless. Automation ensures every batch meets exacting factory standards. Expert sampling guarantees that every batch matches the factory's premium standards. Trays move smoothly along the line, ready for finishing touches. Final touches enhance appearance and flavor, elevating the dessert experience. Labels are applied accurately, providing essential information and branding.
Individual desserts are combined into transport-ready units for efficiency.
Human verification complements machinery for flawless packaging.
Sealed boxes protect desserts during transport, keeping them fresh.
Labels ensure each box reaches its intended destination safely and efficiently.
Final checks guarantee both accuracy and professionalism in packaging.
Boxes converge at the palletizing zone, ready for organized storage and shipment.
Human precision ensures stability and safety for every pallet.
With packaging and labeling complete, the Papaya desserts are prepared for distribution worldwide.
Maintaining optimal temperature ensures desserts remain fresh until shipment.
Temperature monitoring preserves quality, protecting flavor and texture.
Automation guides each pallet to its precise location efficiently.
Human oversight complements automation for flawless inventory management.
Organized stacking maximizes storage space while maintaining safety.
Regular inspection ensures accuracy and prevents logistical errors.
Efficient movement systems keep storage and retrieval seamless.
Digital monitoring tracks every pallet, ensuring precise inventory control.
Human confirmation ensures the correct product is prepared for shipment.
Organized staging allows swift and accurate shipment preparation.
A last human verification ensures desserts leave the warehouse in perfect condition.
Careful transfer prevents damage during the final step to shipment. Each pallet is loaded precisely, ready for delivery to customers worldwide.
With cold storage management complete, the Papaya desserts are ready for their journey to consumers. Proper securing prevents shifting, keeping desserts intact throughout the journey.
Efficient coordination allows multiple shipments to depart smoothly and on schedule.
Real-time monitoring ensures timely delivery from factory to customer. Controlled transport preserves freshness during the journey to distribution points. Upon arrival, careful handling ensures desserts remain flawless.
Automated systems streamline handling, reducing risk and increasing efficiency. Every pallet is tracked, ensuring accuracy and traceability throughout the supply chain.
Final checks guarantee desserts arrive fresh and undamaged at every destination.
From factory to regional centers, each step maintains the highest standards.
With loading and distribution complete, the Papaya desserts are ready to reach consumers.
Every pallet arrives carefully, ready to delight customers with fresh papaya desserts.
Organized storage allows efficient access for timely stocking.
Smooth transport ensures desserts remain intact for customers.
Attention to detail ensures visual appeal and maximizes space.
Every tray is presented perfectly to attract and satisfy customers.
Careful display encourages selection, highlighting the dessert's appeal.
With displays stocked and desserts at peak freshness, the journey reaches customers ready to enjoy.
After a careful journey, the dessert reaches the moment of enjoyment.
Its smooth texture and vivid color invite the first taste.
Every spoonful delivers the fresh taste and creamy texture achieved through meticulous preparation.
Consistency and quality are evident in every cup.
The visual appeal invites sharing and admiration before the first bite.
Freshness is maintained even after storage, ready for enjoyment at any moment.
And this is how modern factories produce papaya desserts from start to finish.
From farm to table, every step is crafted with precision and care.